Oh, that smells incredible. Serve it up with a massive salad. And there you are. Come on, how good does that look? That's our sausage and tomato soup rigatoni. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Most people think a tin of condensed tomato soup is just for sandwiches, as in dip in. But you know, you can make one of the creamiest tomato sauces on a budget. Let's do it. Come on. I've got sausages in here and I've got rigatoni or similar. We're going to make a sausage and tomato soup rigatoni. We're going to make it Italian. We're making it easy. We start it off here. We cook some pasta al dente. We're going to cook it so it's only just cooked in salted boiling water, which I've got started on behind me. And we're going to finish in the oven as a bake. A full family meal. Come on, let's do it. On here, garlic. We want to be mincing up our garlic. We're just going to give that a quick mince, chop the onions, and then we're going to get the pasta on. Pasta's going on behind me. Now, you don't have to go crackers with this. Big as small as you like. Now, this is a real budget-friendly meal, which I've been asked for so many times. So, we want to dice up some onion. Big or as small as you like, as usual. Nice and straightforward, come on. Onion in a bowl. Okay, our pasta. Boiling salted water. Pasta in there. Cook it as per the packet instructions. Al dente. Now this is such a quick recipe. We're using pork sausages, but you can use any sausage, beef, whatever. What we want to do is take the sausage meat out of the skins. We're after the meat. Okay, so just take it out. Now, if you've got skinless, you ain't doing this. So, nice and straightforward. Okay, bring in a cooker, bring in your pan. In the pan, olive oil, or butter of choice, up to you. Want a little flame on. And we want to put in some crumbled sausage. So we're just cooking off a little bit of colour on this sausage. If it breaks up, it doesn't matter. But hopefully we can keep some lumps of sausage in our pan. A little bit of colour on there if you can. This is just a super quick meal for a family. Very easy. And can be frozen, so if you make it, you can actually freeze it in portions. Okay, we can start some onions off in there. I'm going in there with a little bit of pepper. Now, your sausages, they could be salty, they could have a lot of pepper in. Up to you whether you actually taste one to see. Just be careful with the salt levels, because there's also salt level in the cans of soup. So just take out that rawness of that onion, and then we're going in with some garlic. Clear yourself a space, get your garlic in. Cook out the rawness of the garlic. We start it off like that, and then we're just going to stir it in. In there. Okay, I'm using dried oregano. You can use Italian seasoning, you can use anything of choice. In there, a good pinch of dried oregano. That's just going to start to bloom in there with the oil and that sausage juices. And then we can chuck some soup in here. Come on, this is a no-fuss dish. Condensed soup in there. Now you can add water, I'm adding milk. Now you can rinse your can out with water, or you can rinse your can out with milk. I have some milk here, which we're going to be using, so that's what I'm rinsing it out with. Might as well have as much out of that can as possible. There you go. In there with the rest of the milk, and just bring it in, and that's going to give us our sauce. How easy is that? Come on, everybody can cook this. There you go. If you didn't have any pasta, you could eat that with bread and butter. That is superb. Okay, bring in your pasta. Now we don't have to do anything to this apart from that. And that's going to leave us some water in the bottom of the pan. Stir it all in, get that sauce inside that pasta. Oh, look at that. Oh, man, that looks delicious. That's good to go, but we're taking it one step further. Now, if you want to add a little bit of pasta water in there, do so. That's going to give us a nice starchy sauce. Look at that. The oven was on at 180. The oven was on at 180. Let's put this together. On there. Now, you all know me on here. It could boil over, so we're going to get a dish on a tray. It don't get any more straightforward than this. That lot in there. Now, if you've got it, use it. Mozzarella on there. We want some meltiness going on if we can. If you don't have it, don't worry. And if you have a little bit of cheddar, that goes on there as well. This is how quick this dish is. That's all cooked. All we're trying to do now is crusty over the top. Come on, in the oven. Okay, once you've had about 15 minutes and you've got how you want, I've got that nice crustiness on there. Look, come on, let's get this out. That is absolutely sensational. You can see our sausages, the cheese has melted, and we got a bit of a crusty. That's just what we want. Let it cool 5 minutes and we're going to serve it up. Come on, we don't stand on ceremony with this one. It's in. And get out what you can. Oh, come on. On there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells incredible. Serve it up with a massive salad. And there you are. Come on, how good does that look? That's our sausage and tomato soup rigatoni. Fabulous. Come on, an easy weeknight or any night, any meal actually. Go Italian with this sausage and tomato soup rigatoni. Come on, sausage. Oh, our pasta. Oh, beautiful. It's moist. It's coated in all that tomato soup. Oh, that is amazing. And we got all this sticky goo. The cheesiness from the mozzarella. Oh, come on. Absolutely outstanding. Look at that. Come on, that is so easy. That is off the charts. That's how to make a really good quality budget meal. And it is budget really. You've got all that in there. There's an awful lot of pasta and stuff in there. That will feed a family. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Oh.